following me on Instagram or if you're in my Facebook group, then you already know that I tend to overshop just a tiny little bit. Let me show you what I was able to do with these mugs that I purchased on Prime Day from Michaels. Let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be using my favorite Cricut product of all time, and in case you didn't know what that is, it is the Cricut Mug Press. I am going to be using my mug press with some of these cute Cricut mugs that I found on Amazon Prime Day from Michaels. They were on sale for $3 and some change. I couldn't pass it up. I'm also going to be using some of that Sublimation pattern paper from Pydlife. And the excellent thing about this is that I will not need a sublimation printer. I will not need sublimation ink. I won't even need a computer at all. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The materials I'm going to use for this project include my Cricut Mug Press. I'm using some of the Pydlife butcher paper. I'm using Cricut heat resistant tape. I will be using 3 Cricut mugs. Each of these mugs are 15 ounces. I'm using 3 of these 4 colors. This first color is called Blue Crack. This one is called Purple Leopard. This one is called Wood Grain, and this one is Blue Zebra. I will also be using my heat resistant gloves and the Cricut heat resistant mat. Okay, let's start with the Blue Crack first, and I will use it on this mug right here. This one is called Ocean. That's the color of it. Everything I'm using will be linked below the video. I'm going to go ahead and turn my Cricut Mug Press on and let it start to heat up. It does heat up fast, so I'm not worried about that. Now, last time I used this, I actually wet my tumblers with water, but I'm going to try to do it this time without doing that. So this is what the paper looks like just straight from the package without wetting it. I am going to try to sublimate on this mug without wetting the paper and see if that works. Get this opened up. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Very excited about this. Okay, so what I found that I prefer to do is just wrap it around. Just gonna do a full wrap around and see what I come up with. I'm gonna put it upside down like that and just wrap this around. Okay, my mug press is letting me know that it is ready. So I'm just cutting little slits or on the side so I can get this. I don't want this to go all the way down. I just want it to be right here, just like this. Okay, now I'm going to just add a piece of butcher paper on top. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I think as long as it wraps around, I'm good to go. All right, now I'm going to get this put in my mug press and we will see. And we wait. I will not do another one until I see how this one comes out. So we will let this one do what it's going to do before we move on to the next one. All right, so it's beeping. Let me go ahead and open this. Put on my heat resistance gloves. I am not a very patient crafter, so I am not able to just wait for this to cool down. But if you are, that's awesome. All right, let's see. 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 Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm in. Look at, let me come. Look at this. Look at that. That is so cute. Look. Look. Now I did not, now I probably should have taped it at the bottom down there, but I think that also adds to the look of this. So I'm going to do another one, and this time I'm going to tape the bottom and see if that makes a difference. I think this is fantastic though. Look at that. I think this is fantastic. You know I'm always going to show you my mistakes. But look, so I got some ghosting right there because I went a little bit too close, but I still think that's so pretty, and I would love to receive this as a gift. I think it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, so for my second mug, I am using this one. It's pink on the inside and has this blue handle. And the color that I'm using is called Blue Zebra. And this is what it looks like just straight from the package. And what I'm going to do is cut this at 8.75 in width by 4.17 in height. And this time I am going to tape it at the top and bottom. Okay, so let's do that. All right, let's see how this is going to go. I think I'm gonna turn it upside down so it's flushed at the top. Hopefully this comes out better. I didn't tape the bottom, I just cut that bottom off. I don't want to tape the bottom. So I'm just going to use one sheet of butcher paper. That was plenty just to wrap around. And I think I'm going to put my mug in upside down like this. And while that is pressing, I will be opening my next package and getting my next mug. Ooh, look at this! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm excited about this. Okay. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So pretty. All right, let me clean it off. I think this one is going to be perfect. If I had to guess, this one is going to be perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I will get one sheet of butcher paper. This Pydlife butcher paper is very convenient because it's in sheets, and so you don't have to worry about anything actually. All right, so I'm going to take this one out and we'll see how it did, and I'll be ready to put this one in. We got some scorching going on, but we're going to look at it in a minute. We're going to look at that one in a minute. Let's go ahead and get this one inserted, and I want to put this one in right side up because you can see that I didn't put it all the way down. This one should actually be perfect as perfect can be. Okay, and let's get a look at this one. You look at the paper has some scorching on it, and this one was put in upside down. So let's see. Oh, fancy. Oh, very, very fancy. Look at this. Oh my Lord. Okay. All right. It's beautiful. Look at that. Now it did stick to the mug. It looks dark, but it came out very pretty. Very, very pretty. So there, let me come and get closer so you can see. There is some ghosting. Let me see if I can give you some more light. Not much, but there is some ghosting right here. But I want you to see it really closely. Still some ghosting at the bottom, even though I put it in upside down. So this is how this one came out. This right here is paper. I think all I need to do is just wet this, like with a wet towel, wet paper towel, and I can just wipe that off. Okay, so I am curious to see how the last one came out, but let me let you see this one up close. And you already know I'm going to say I love this one. I love it. Even though there's ghosting there, I didn't try any measurement. I just wrapped it. All right, and then we will stay tuned to see how our last one turns out. All right, this one is finished. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. I think I'm probably more excited about this one than I am this one, because even though this is cute now. This is so cute. Okay, let's see. I can already tell I'm gonna love it. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Uh-oh, I still have some paper on there. Hold on. That's what a weeding tool is for. Look at this. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now I know I have a mess right here in front of me, but if you can disregard that and see through to the goodness of this sublimation pattern paper from Pydlife, try saying that fast 5 times, then you will be in good hands. Hopefully you have found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.